Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So fold this beautiful printed paper from its diagonals. Again make multiple fold. Here we are going to press it. We're making the box first, so keep it aside. After this we're going to make the lid as well. Before that we are pasting this green color of gift stick on the top of it and bow as well, and look, it's ready. Make two such boxes and look, it's done. Let's make it for Christmas night. Here we are going to fold this beautiful paper. Now fold it from its corners as well. We are going to make 8 such colorful shapes. We are using 2 different color, green and red, and tuck all of them in a circle like this. It's ready. Paste a bow and hanging and it's done. To fold this red color of paper, we are going to fold it from its sides and make a triangular shape like this. Again press it like this, open it and tuck the paper inside. Now we are going to make 5 such shapes and tuck all of them one after another like this and make a star shape like we're doing here. Gently open it like this and look, it's ready. At these beautiful paper containers. Let's make it. For that we are going to make multiple fold on this piece of paper from its both sides. After this we are going to make crease like this, so again fold it from its diagonals. Now press it like this. After this we are going to fold it from its corner like we are doing here. Now hold it from its center part and you will get this twisted design. Now we are going to pull it and look, it's done. Now we are going to flip it and fold the corners and make these 4 triangular shapes. After this we are going to fold it like this into half. Now flip the paper and do the same from this side as well. Finally we are going to twist all of them and look, it's ready. Put the paper down like this and look, your mini container is ready. Let's make this fun craft. We are going to fold this red craft paper. We are making the lips here. So fold it and make this triangular shape. Now open all the paper. Now we are going to fold it from the corners. Flip it and gently press it and make the small shape. After this we are going to open it and it's done. We're going to fold this floral printed paper and spread it like this. After this we're going to make a cut and tuck the paper inside and keep it aside. Now we're going to make the back side of the sandal, so take another paper, again fold it like we're doing here, flip it, again fold it from its sides, open it and tuck it inside like we're doing here. After this we're going to combine both of them together, add a bow and it's ready. First we are going to fold this printed craft paper. You can also take a normal and plain paper in place of this. So fold it from its diagonals, again fold it, make a box and keep it aside. After this we are going to make the cover. So fold this paper, combine all of them together and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.